Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial series where we will be exploring Arbiter's features together and what you can do with them. Whether it be you want to do matter intelligence, whether you want to do contract drafting or analysis, or do legal research, Arbiter is here to help you. In this first video, in the next 5 minutes, I'll show you around how to find your way around the application, create your first document, how to use Arbiter AI effectively, and run your first analysis. Let's go. When you first get on the application, you're probably going to be met with this page where it's the onboarding part of the application. If you're here, it means that you've most likely already onboarded. When you first sign up, you can choose a plan and get started, or you can just skip it and explore the application where you will be greeted with this page. In this page, you have a bunch of quick tools that you can access. You can access your document library where you can see all of your contracts. You can access your matters in here, or you can access your template library inside this if you've created any templates. Or you can draft a new contract, analyze one, or just start doing legal research. For example, if you press the Analyze document, the application will prompt you to upload a file. It will allow you to do even pictures or PDF scan documents so you can do OCR on them, and Arbiter will be able to perfectly handle those. A bit below, you will have access to all your recent documents and research AI researches and everything else. If you scroll a bit more below, you will see that you will have access to the footer of the page where you can access our social media, the documentation page, which will bring you here, and you can find answers to all of your questions with regards to the application. For example, how the AI research works, how GitLaw functions, how you can use the document canvas, the auto drafter, etc., etc. Or you can find the support page if you have any questions. The Bono team will be happy to assist. To get started, you can start either one of your documents through the document library or press the editor button here, which will bring you to this page. There are three main ways to access Arbiter. One is through documents, the other is through AI research, and the third way is through matter way, the matter intelligence. Everything in Arbiter flows through one of these three places. To access your documents, you simply have to initiate the application from here and select the Documents tab. And in here, you see that you have access to all of your documents. To enter into research mode, you have to go into Research tab. All of your matters are also available in the Research tab. So you can press the Matter library and select a specific matter, select that matter, and either open it in Matter Explorer. We will get into what matters are in its separate video, but inside matter mode, you can do run intelligence on matters with as many as hundreds of different documents and depositions and emails, and run workflows on them. Outside of matter mode, the core focus of the application is here within the document tab, the document canvas. Whenever you upload a contract to Arbiter, Arbiter runs a scan on it that enables the AI to accurately look at the entire thing and find all of the flags within it, any critical issues, any problems, and give you a detailed legal analysis that you can access here on the right-hand side panel. You can also ask the AI different questions about this contract. So for example, you can ask it, what are the major risks within this contract? And it will be able to answer to your question. While it is doing this, preparing its answer, I will show you what the document analysis tab is about. Once you upload a contract here, there will be a tab here that you can use, and you can run an analysis on any contract. There are two steps to it, which we will go into details in its own separate video, but the end result will look like something like this. A report that gives you an executive summary, overview of the entire contract, its key provisions, legal watchouts, different terms within the contract, all the financial summary of the contract, the key dates and milestones within the contract, its relationships to other documents, the document hierarchy, liability and indemnification issues, damage exclusions, and everything else. Within this, there's this section called GitLaw Research that Arbiter uses to make sure all of the citations it provides are accurate. We will go into detail in its own separate video. Below this, you will also have the section-by-section summary, legal analysis of the entire contract. For a $12 million contract such as this one, having this level of detail be prepared for you in an instance with a click of a button is very important. When you press this button, you will see that Arbiter finds all the cross-references into different sections of the contract, and it gives you a 4-pillar analysis of it. We will go into detail what this analysis is in its separate video, but as you can see, every single citation within this report is provided here accurately, and you can just click the links to open the relevant case law or statute with regards to this matter. And yeah, now let's go back to see what it got as an answer for our question. And as you can see, we asked it what are the major risks within the contract, and it gave us a concrete answer. And it used all of the Git log resources. It used all of the flags within the contract, the summary, and all the 15 sections. It can also do red lines for you and prepare everything as accordingly. Furthermore, you can also use Arbiter to draft your contracts with it. You can, as you can see, you can use the AI chat on an empty canvas. And once you write your prompt, it can be anything, Arbiter will understand your prompt and prepare a form for you and asks you about the context it needs to draft that essay or legal document. You can write a legal essay such as this one, or you can draft any legal contract, whether it be an NDA, whether it be a master service agreement, whether it be a complex lease agreement. Whatever you do, Arbiter will give you a form such as this one that you can use either by pressing this button. You can use Arbiter's own suggestions, or you can write your own recommendations in here. And once you're done with the form, you can fill the suggestions, press create the document outline. It will give you a blueprint such as this one. And once you're satisfied with it, you just press begin drafting. And if the auto drafter is on, it will draft the entire document for you with the necessary citations, as you can see. And it will be prepared in a matter of 15 to 20 minutes. No work needed from the user, and you will just wait for it to finish its job. Using this system, Arbiter can create 100,000 word essays or documents or contracts without losing any context. There's no limit to the complexity of documents that Arbiter can produce, and the quality of the work it produces is unlike anything else. And as you can see, for example, here's another one. This is a MNDA that we drafted using the same system. You just type in draft me an NDA. It asks you about the terms, who are the parties, what is the structure and format, what is the scope, and you just enter these informations, add it, get the blueprint, press start, and it will start drafting the entire thing for you. We will get into more details as to how this system works in future videos. But as you can see, the tool is quite flexible. You can even add your own documents as extra context so that the AI can use them by simply adding them here and then asking for a draft. So for example, if you have a template, you can use it this way. And Arbiter will be able to use that to create the perfect document for you. So in this short video, we briefly demonstrated what Arbiter can do. In the next video, we'll go deep on the 3 modes available inside the application. We'll explore Canvas mode, Research mode, and Matter mode, and show you what each of these tools can do in detail. I hope you enjoyed this brief tutorial, and I hope to see you on the next videos. Goodbye.